Are you struggling to get more views on your YouTube videos? In this video, we'll share some tips and strategies to help you boost your views and grow your channel. The first tip is to create engaging and clickable thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so make sure it's eye-catching and relevant to your video content. Next, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Whether it's entertaining, informative, or educational, make sure your videos are enjoyable to watch and keep viewers coming back for more. Don't forget to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and attract more viewers to your channel. Lastly, promote your videos on social media and collaborate with other YouTubers to reach a wider audience. Building a strong community around your channel can help increase your views and subscriber count. Thanks for watching. For more tips on mastering YouTube and growing your channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.